Does my Beats warranty cover the replacement of lost or stolen headphones?
Hello there, wonderful to have you with us today. We're going to be discussing a common question that many people ask: does my Beats warranty cover the replacement of lost or stolen headphones?
What is covered under the Beats warranty?
First things first, we need to understand what's typically covered under the standard Beats warranty. Generally, the Beats warranty covers defects in materials and workmanship if the product was purchased from an authorized retailer. But does it cover loss or theft? The short answer is no.
Does Beats warranty cover lost or stolen headphones?
Now, on to the main question. I'm sorry to report that, as of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, the Beats warranty does not cover the replacement of lost or stolen headphones. The warranty is designed to protect against manufacturing faults, not personal losses or theft.
What can you do if your Beats headphones are lost or stolen?
Although the warranty might not cover these scenarios, that doesn't mean you're entirely out of options. Here are some steps you can consider. 1. Contact your insurance. If you have personal property insurance, it may cover items like headphones. This varies by insurance policy, so it's worth checking out. 2. Lost and found. If you think you've lost them in a public place, check if there's a lost and found. You might get lucky. 3. Report the theft to the police. If your headphones were stolen, report the incident to your local authorities. While they might not be able to recover your headphones, it's still important to report the crime. In conclusion, while it can be disappointing to discover that the Beats warranty doesn't cover lost or stolen headphones, there might still be other avenues for recourse available to you. As always, it's important to take good care of your belongings and to consider options like insurance for valuable items. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this information helpful.